Per Inside EVs, General Motors and EVgo have reached a major milestone in their collaboration. The companies have installed their 2000th co-branded fast charging stall in the U.S., located in Marietta, California. This new station, part of a site with 5 350 kilowatt chargers, can serve up to 10 electric vehicles at once. If only one vehicle is connected, it receives the full power capacity of the charger. This achievement comes just 16 months after the company celebrated their 1000th fast charging stall. Their partnership has now brought public fast chargers to over 390 locations across 45 metro areas in 32 states. These chargers are strategically placed near grocery stores, retail centers, and city hubs. The goal is to expand to 2,850 fast charging stalls nationwide. This includes 400 flagship locations in states like California, Texas, Florida, and New York, with many offering up to 20 stalls, enhanced lighting, and additional amenities. Currently, EVgo operates over 1,000 fast charging stations with more than 3,600 ports, making it one of the largest networks in the country. You are listening to UON News.